In this question, I'm going to be going through two typical Venn diagram questions. So the first one, we have a survey of 136 students was carried out. They were asked whether they were studying French or Spanish. Of those surveyed, 87 study French, 85 study Spanish, and 54 study both languages. And we need to represent this information on a Venn diagram. So let's draw out a Venn diagram. Two circles. We have French, Spanish, and the total is 136, so that's our universal. Now, let's fill in what we can. We're told that 87 study French, so let's put that outside here. So put it there in brackets. For Spanish, we're told 85, so let's put that here. And then 54 study both, so that goes in the middle. Now, we need to fill in these empty bits here. We know that all of this adds up to 87, so let's do 87 minus 54, that gets us 33. For here, now, I'm going to do the exact same thing. So 85 minus 54 for here. And we have 31. So now that's these done, but the question is not finished yet. The total is 136, and if I add these up, I have 118. So what we need to do now is we need to find out that missing bit here. So I'll do 136 minus 118. And that gets us 18. So that 18 would be on the outside. So 18 study neither French nor Spanish. If we added up all of this, we would get 136. For the probability questions then, we have a student is chosen at random. What is the probability that the student studies French and Spanish? So that's the middle. And we have 54 over total, which is 136. The probability that a student studies no language is what we found here, and that is 18 over 136. And then only one subject, that is only French or only Spanish. So we'll have 33 plus 31, which is 64 over 136. Okay, for our next example now, we have a class of 30 students who are asked to help out at a school fundraising event over the weekend. 21 students volunteered to help on Saturday, 15 students volunteered to help on Sunday, and 2 students were unable to help on either day. And we need to represent this information on a Venn diagram. So again, let's draw out a Venn diagram. Two circles. We have Saturday, Sunday, and our total is 30. Now let's fill in what we can. We have 21 students volunteered to help on Saturday. So just 21 here in brackets. For Sunday we have 15. And then 2 were unable to help on either day, so that would be on the outside. Now, in this question, we have nothing in the middle, so we're not going to subtract anything from 21 or 15. We're told the total is 30, but if we add up the numbers we have, 21, 15 and 2, we have 38. So we're 8 over 30. That excess of 8, so we have 38 minus 30 is 8. That excess of 8 will go in the middle. Now we can fill in the rest of it. So for 21 then, minus 8, that would be 13. Here, for 15 minus 8, that would be 7. And now we have our Venn diagram done. Because if we add up everything here, we end up with 30. Lastly then, a student is chosen at random from the class. Find the probability that student chosen volunteered to help on both days. So for both days is the middle, so that would be 8 over a total, which is 30. You can simplify that if you want to 4 over 15. And that's the question done.